The question 10 is cancelled with 10. 5 divided by 5 will be equal to 1, which is our answer. But have you done it correctly? No, it's wrong. So I have to write question again. Question is 5 divided by 5 over 10 times 10. So we have to move from left to right while solving division and multiplication. So 5 as it is, divide is converted into multiplication. 5 over 10 is flipped, so it will become 10 over 5 times 10. So 5 and 10 is a single term, so it will become 2. There is cancellation, so we will get 5 times 2 times 10. Now 5 times 2 will be equal to 10 times 10. 10 times 10 will be 100, which will be correct answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube channel.